So what I had to do is I had to come to the realization that I have to make my own money. I have to create my own table. I have to create my own doors. You get the picture? So if you're out of work and you're trying to figure out what to do next, come on and join me. Let's see what happens together. All right. So let's dig in. I'm going to go to Chat GPT. Okay. So let's jump in. So if you have Chat GPT, if you have Claude, use Claude, Perplexity, Gemini. What's the other one? Notebook LM, that one. We're going to jump right on in, okay? So this is a prompt that I didn't create it, but I saw someone else create it. But it was just one that I wanted to try to see what it would do, all right? So the prompt is okay. So now most people would stop here and they would hit the ground running. All right. That's not what we're going to do. So I am going to let ChatGPT know I have more questions to ask before we build. I want to stack these questions to get the best results.